goes to various ministries, attorney generals, other departments, public, to the interior ministry, la. So this has been done very calculatedly. Very few of us are going to read this to see it, but no one even saw it in 2017. So we have work ahead of us. And so may I turn then to the second issue that I'm coming on to submit to your ladyships and lordships, and that is sure. Thank you. Sorry, Mary. So the prayers are there. We are asking for prayers in the petition, and we respectfully request that the court looks at them and deliberates on them. But the court also has powers from other places. For example, in the Elections Act itself, under Section 80, subsection 4, the court has power. The court has power to, if there is evidence that you find, you may issue directions that the certificate is to be made out in the name of the person who has secured more votes. The second prayer we do make outside this is this, that we cannot have, whatever the outcome of this petition, we cannot have the self-discredited person who is giving false affidavits and doing all these things to be the chairperson of the IEBC or anything at all. And so we are also saying that there are two prayers in relation to this. The Article 3 of our Constitution says this. Article 3, sub-article 2. And this is at the heart, I pray, of the judgment that this Honorable Court gives. 2, any attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution is unlawful. Any attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution is unlawful. And so, in what is a 34C? A 34C is what leads to 34B, which leads to the declaration of a precedent, which is the formation of a new government. That is what was going on the 15th of August there. An attempt, and even here, right now in this court, there are people who have filed things in contravention of the saying that what is in contravention of the Constitution is correct. And right here in this, there is an attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution. It's unlawful. So, if this Honorable Court finds that Mr. Chebukati is responsible for and has committed actions and decisions which are an attempt to establish a government otherwise than in compliance with this Constitution, we pray that you make a holding